Good morning or good afternoon, affiliate marketers. Today I want to talk to you about being your authentic self while sharing your product and value. Everyone is not your prospect. Do you want to stand out from the crowd, or do you just want to be another salesperson? Start thinking about your buyer. Stop thinking about the sales. Stop focusing on what you can get. Focus on what you can give. Bring value to the marketplace. Promote yourself and concentrate on helping others. What do they want? What are they willing to do for it? A great quote to remember from Zig Ziglar is, if you help enough people get what they want, you'll get what you want. So I hope you found value, and go to successwithwandad.com/mastermind-collection and get the free gift. Love you and appreciate you. Like, share, and comment. And if it's not for you, that's great. Share it with somebody that can help. Have a blessed day.